you looking for the perfect holiday gift for the beauty lover in your life, or are you just interested in getting $550 worth of products for $99 or $89 if you subscribe to a Glossybox? Well, we are going to check out the 2021 Glossybox Advent Calendar. Before we jump into the Glossybox 2021 Advent Calendar, I wanted to introduce myself in case you're new to my channel. Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 54 years old and I love to share beauty reviews, hair care, skin care, makeup, and once in a while I cook with you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you end up enjoying it. I'm so excited. This is the first holiday related video that I am doing. This is the Glossybox Advent Calendar. I'm sure you're familiar with the Glossybox. They have a monthly subscription box, makeup, skincare that you can get. I got it for years and years, and I have the prettiest boxes that everything comes in. I still have saved probably almost every single one of them, and I store things in them in my cabinets. But anyway, that aside, this, you don't have to be a member or subscriber or anything to get this. It's $550 worth of products, and it is $99 if you don't subscribe to a Glossybox, and it's $89 if you do. So let me show you what is inside. Don't you just love advent calendars, little present a day? So basically it opens up like this, and there's a little catalog here that will talk about the items that are in here, and then you have drawers. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down because it's kind of heavy and I will open up the drawers. So okay, they're mixed up, so like an advent calendar, they're not just in order. So like in here is 1/18/9/15/2023. So you have to open the drawers and search. So that's kind of fun because instead of, you know, having everything 1, 2, 3, 4, you kind of have to do a little treasure hunt. So let's start here, and we'll start with number 1. Number 1 is a big box. Something in here smells so good. Yum, very kind of spa-like, herbally smelling. Okay, now how do these boxes open? Okay, I kind of want them to stay looking cute. Oh, okay, so it opens here where it says Glossybox. And whatever this is has a little bit of the black little fluffy stuff around it. Ooh, and this is Neom. It's an organic Perfect Night's Sleep scented candle. Oh, that's what I must have been smelling because it smells like lavender. Okay, this is English lavender, sweet basil, and jasmine, and it is from London. They say it's 100% natural fragrances to boost your well-being. Ooh, I love candles. This one smells awfully good. Okay, so this is it. Very cute. And there's a little pamphlet here. Oh, this says that 88% of people had a better night's sleep when they were on the Neom sleep program. I don't know what that is. I don't know, that just means burn this candle for a while before you go to bed, but smells great. I can't wait to use this. Now I will search for box number 2. I think what I'm gonna do is take all the little drawers out so I have them in front of me, and I can, okay, there's 3. And where's 2? So now that I have all the little drawers out looking at this, I think this is going to be really handy because, I mean, if you think about it, you could reuse this with the little drawers and keep things in it. So I'm happy about that. I love being able to reuse boxes like this. It's so cute the way they set up these little drawers. I love the typography that they used here on these little boxes. So cute. Okay, so let's keep going. Now, number 2, box number 2, is the Authentic Beauty Concept Strong Cold Hairspray. Okay, very handy. Box number 3 was the Elamasqua Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I have a couple Elamasqua products. I think I have an eye cream and a moisturizer, so I'm excited to try this. And this is number 4, which was in a very large box here, and it's the makeup eraser. And I have never tried this. I think in something, I got some little piece of one and I kind of lost it and I never tried it. So I'm interested to try this. You're supposed to be able to take off your makeup with no makeup remover. Let's see, I have a lot of makeup on. Box number 5, this is by Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have this in a larger size, so I will probably save this to gift to someone. And yeah, I love the Glow Recipe stuff. They have some really nice products. All right, now I must hunt for number 6. Ta-da! All right, this is a very lightweight one. Number 6 is a hand cream. It looks like it's by Polaar, and it looks like it's French, and it says it's a genuine Lapland cream. I don't know what that is. It doesn't really say, so I have to Google this. So I finally got smart and I opened up this little booklet so I could get more information about the products I'm not familiar with. And first of all, everything I've shown you so far is either deluxe or sample size, other than the makeup eraser, which is full size. Now, the hand cream that I didn't know about, apparently it has Arctic raspberries, cranberries, and blackberries that are rich in vitamins A and C and E, and they're supposed to be really good for your hands. So let us move on. This next item is full size. This is a little blush by MCoBeauty, and this has a value of $16. So it's looks like a pretty kind of a rose color. So it's pretty pigmented. It doesn't really smell like anything. Well, it smells a little bit plasticky. So anyway, that is that. That is number 7. 8 is by Figs and Rouge. And this is a full-sized $58 value Wonder Love Clarity Skin Perfecting Serum Drops. They're supposed to exfoliate and unclog your pores while reducing dry, uneven, or bumpy skin. So that is nice. This next thing, this is by Kab. It's a lip liner and lip gloss that came in this little box. And these colors look right up my alley. You guys know I love pink. So this looks like something I would really wear. Let me go ahead and I'll just put a little swatch here. I'm in long sleeves. So, whoops. Okay, now I just made it messy. Let me show you what this looks like. But I love that it has the matching liner. Oh, that's great. Oh, it's super creamy liner. So there, you can see the color of that there. Box number 10 is little Victor and Rolf Flowerbomb little sample perfume. That's a little bit of a sweet fragrance for me, so I'll probably give that to someone. This next item here, I'm really excited to try. Have you ever dry brushed your skin? It's really good for your skin and like to get your circulation going and your lymph nodes, and there's all this stuff about dry brushing. I've had it done before at a spa, and at one point I bought one, I don't know, I guess I lost it a while ago. But this is a dry brush for the skin on your face. And this is by, it doesn't say, and it just came in the box without any packaging, by After Spa. Day 12, you'll be getting this cute little Kabuki, mini Kabuki brush by Bellapierre. And ooh, it is super soft. It is super, like an It Cosmetics brush soft, like crazy soft. So that is handy. And then in lucky number 13, it is the Glossybox Skincare Hydrating Mist. Tones, primes, and refreshes. I'm not familiar with anything by Glossybox. I haven't tried anything that they have private labeled or come up with or whatever for their line, but I look forward to trying it. All right, number 14. This looks like it's going to be something small, sample size. Yeah, I can feel it in here. Whoa! Feels kind of like Christmas now. This is by Onekind. Oh, I have a mask by them, and it was quite nice. This is a refining facial pink clay. Huh. I feel like the tube I have by them is maybe pink, so I look forward to trying this. 15 is by Fekkai. So I'm missing something in here. This says that you're supposed to have a full-blown conditioner and shampoo, and I only have one little bottle in here, so that's odd. I just got the shampoo. So somehow this is missing the conditioner. Oh, by the way, this was sent to me for review, so I did not buy this, but I'm sure that if you contacted Glossybox, back when I, bought it, this normal monthly subscription for months and months and months, I think like, a couple times something came damaged. I mean, not months. I had it actually, what am I talking about? I got it for like 3 years. So their customer service was really good. I feel like I got like a broken blush or something, powder, and they just replaced it, whatever. So I would assume you could just call and let them know. But this is supposed to be a shampoo and conditioner. 16 is an eyeliner, and this is by Josephine Cosmetics. It's a waterproof graphic liner. Oh, good. Is this like a felt tip or a brush tip? I love brush tip liners. Okay, this one looks like, yeah, it's, oh, okay, is it felt or brush? Yeah, I think it's, nope, it's brush. Yeah, sorry, it looked more like felt, but it's going on like brush. Wait, maybe it says, let me make sure. It It's hard to tell. Oh, it is felt tip. Huh, wow. You know, usually felt, I kind of feel like they hang up more and they don't get this thin of a line. So, but it's very, very black. So, you know, if it holds up and doesn't wipe off, this could be good. I actually kind of need another liner right now, this style. I have too many of the pencil liners. I just don't use those as much for some reason. All right, let's go on to number 17. Where are you? Ooh, it's a big box. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, this is by Nebula, Earth Harbor, an Aptogen Clarity Ampule. Oh, it's a full size. This has a $46 value, and it's supposed to be a clarifying treatment and glow enhancing elixir. Elixir. Words are hard. So, ooh, it's kind of cool looking. It's kind of purplish, and it's in a nice glass bottle. All right, so I don't know what the ingredients are on that because I have dry skin and I don't really need any clarifying. I mean, glow enhancing is nice. Oh yeah, see this, it says for distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. So this would probably be something I'd give away to somebody that I know that has oily skin. All right, now number 18, where are you? Okay, this feels like something that is a little guy. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is by Illamasqua. It is a Beyond Liquid Highlighter. All right, let's check it out. I have never tried their highlighter. It's got a little foil thingy here. Go ahead and squeeze a little bit out. Whoa, I squeezed a lot out. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. There, you can see that from the moon, huh? Okay. Well, that's fun. Can never have too much highlight, right? And you know what? If you don't really use liquid highlighter or cream highlighter or whatever, you know, if you just mix it into, you know, some body lotion for a little shimmer, you could put it on your shoulders and stuff. You could mix it into, if you have any sort of, like I love to use the Sally Hansen airbrush legs. They have it in a cream form, add a little bit of that. They have one now that has glow to it, but the original ones are pretty flat. So I always like to add some of that to that. This says 18 is a Cleo Noir eyeshadow duet, Light the Night. So I don't know how I got a highlighter, but I did. Okay, so it says it's a $16 eyeshadow, but it was the highlighter. So who knows? Maybe there's some variety in this. Ooh, fun box. Oh, nail polish. Awesome. This is Deco Miami. I have purchased their nail polish before. It's been a while, but so if you don't want to wreck your box, take it out from the bottom. Ooh, I like that color. It was a really pretty coral color. Cute. All right, and this has a MSRP of $8, and it's full size. This is really fun. I think for $99 to get all this variety, I think it's worth it so far. This is like kind of fun. What a great gift. You know, if you have a mom or somebody want to buy something nice and she likes these kinds of things, I think this would be like a total kick. Okay, oh, this is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty, and this is deluxe size with a $5 value. This is a 1 ounce. All right, guys, we're getting down to the end of this. Number 21. Ooh, okay, there are many things in here. So there's a VitaBrid C12 Facial Boosting Water. This is full sized, and then you get a dual mask. Oh, nice, brightening and luminous. That's what we all want to be, right? 22, what are you? It's 111 Skin, and this is their Restorative Cleansing Balm. I've tried many things from this brand, but I have never tried one of their cleansers, and this is a cleansing balm, so I like those. They're so soft and nice, and you don't need a lot of makeup on. That's so nice to use first, like for a dual cleanse. Okay, so I think I'm on, yeah, wow, we're on 23. Ooh, okay, this is by Medics, MEDIKS. It's their Tetra Luxe Lipid Vitamin C Enhancing Radiance Serum. I thought for a minute it might be like a lip balm or something. That'd be nice to get a really fancy lip balm. Okay, so it's a C serum of some sort. Let me see what they say about it. Okay, so this is a Tetra hexyl ascorbate. So it's not L-ascorbic acid, it's this other kind that's supposed to be really good too. And it's a squalane-based formula, so that's nice and very, very hydrating. This is a $12.50 value. If you get a full size, it's $85. And yeah, vitamin C serum, you guys, that is one of my top tips, is in the morning, use a good C serum, preferably an L-ascorbic acid. Those are my favorites. This one is good also. I did a whole video about C serums, while back. The one by SkinCeuticals is amazing, and they have several different ones. The normal CNE Ferulic is really good for dry skin, and they have a newer one called Silimarin that's really good if you have oily skin. It actually is supposed to cut down on the oil that you produce over time, like 30% or something. So they have one other one that's kind of in between. So they have like some great ones too, but I'm interested to try that one. Okay, so now we're on 24, so it's Christmas Eve now. Woo, for those of you who celebrate. Oh, look at this. It's a satin pillowcase. So this is by Vintage Cosmetics. Oh, they have really cute packaging and stuff. So it says sleep like a princess. And it says silky satin prevents bedhead and pillow creases. So the thing about this is that I like actual silk. I did use satin when I was young, couldn't afford silk and all that. I did use satin pillowcases. So it's definitely better than cotton because your hair and face kind of glide across it. So it's not a natural fiber, so it can feel, you know, a little bit sticky if it's hot. You know, it's not as breathable as silk, but oh, it's very pretty. Look at this. If you want to get silk, I like the slip silk pillowcases. You can find those at Skin Store. And I mean, this is a very pretty satin pillowcase. And again, better than cotton, not as rough on your face, but it doesn't breathe. And, you know, silk keeps you cool in summer. You know, it's nice in winter, but satin's definitely a place to start, and it's really nice that they have one in here, so you kind of check that out, see how you like it, and then maybe you can get to silk. Oh, and I've tried Slip and Blissy now, and Blissy's really good. I like Blissy, but it's just a little bit not exactly, there's just something just with the feel of the Slip, so I'm going to do a video about that soon too. All right, so now here you go. 25th. Okay, there are a couple makeup brushes here by Elaina Badro. Oh, I wonder if this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. This is by Wander Beauty, and it says Wondrous. And I've tried their blush before. It was nice. And then I think I've tried their mascara, and it was all right. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, very pretty. Okay, so here you've got 6 different colors. You have 2 mattes, and then you have 2 more shimmer, and then, you know, 2 that are very, very sparkly. So let us swatch this. Let me pull up my sleeve here. Oh, wait, let's test this out. I'm trying to run my finger over the liner now. And I did have that blush there. Wow, hey, I kind of put that on top of that cream blush that I rubbed into my hand. It's not budging. That's a good liner. Huh, cool. All right, so now, and let's go ahead and swatcheroo. So here are, ooh, nice. Let's see, I'll just do them here. So those are the first 2. Is this working? Okay, now I'll do the next 2. So here are the next 2. And then here are the 2 mattes. Wow, that brown is very pigmented. So there you go. I think you could get a complete look out of this because, you know what, this actually is a little bit darker than I thought it would be, but what I do like about that is that it's a nice transition color, and you could always brighten up using the shimmer here. So, I think that this is quite nice. All right there. Well, wow, what a selection of items. So yeah, I think for $99 you get $550 worth of products. I mean, if this is stuff that you would use, you know, again, there are a couple products in here, but I mean, obviously they can't please everybody, right? Because they're different skin types. But you know, you've got a few things you could use as stocking stuffers for some people. And yeah, I'm really excited to have it. And yeah, I think that I would have totally bought this and paid for it. Because it'd be really fun to have a little treat every single day. Or what a great gift, because if you give this to somebody like your mom or a friend, or, you know, if there's a guy watching this for his girlfriend or whatever, I think this would be really fun lead up to Christmas. And at the end, you get eyeshadow brushes and a palette. I mean, that's really cool. So I'd like to know what you think of this. Hopefully I'll have some other holiday type of things to show you coming up here, because I don't know, I think for gift giving, it's always nice to really try to find a gift that the person will like and use, not just like what you want them to have. I mean, unless there's some hidden need that they have that you're like, oh, you know, they really love to cook, so they, you know, don't have silicone spatulas, so they would love those because they bake all the time or something. You know, kind of trying to think that way about people. So for the beauty lover, or just for yourself, or gift for yourself, I think this is killer. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoy it, and let me know what you think of these products.